Why do we pay taxes? We pay all kinds of taxes and fees to the government for all types of reasons. But let's take a look at some of the most common. Those would be federal, state, and local taxes. Federal taxes are generally held out of everyone's paycheck. Let's start there. FICA is how we pay into the Social Security and Medicare systems. Social Security helps to pay you an income in your retirement years, and Medicare helps you take care of your medical needs in your retirement years. Most of the taxes we pay go to help us pay for goods and services that everyone uses. About a quarter of your taxes pays for our national military. About another quarter goes to pay for Social Security, Medicare, and veterans benefits. Other things supported by your taxes are federal law enforcement, social programs like welfare, and unemployment benefits. We also pay state taxes. This is the reason things at the dollar store don't cost $1. Some states have sales tax. Some tax your income to pay for statewide benefits like police, universities, and roads. If you own a home or other real estate, you will also pay property taxes. These taxes go to fund local benefits like schools, parks, and libraries. Sometimes the amount we pay in taxes can be overwhelming, but they are an important part of our lives.